Texas backyard barbecue. Today, baby back ribs.
Hey y'all, we're back here today with another episode of exceptional food on a really tight budget. As we said in the last episode when we made the potatoes, which were fabulous by the way, you know, food's so expensive, we gotta take advantage of what we gotta take advantage of. And right here I've got baby back ribs that I got at the Kroger on special with my discount card for $5.29 a piece. So you think about that, that's a $10 rib meal for a family of four. $10.60 if you want to be specific. So let's get into it. Look, we're going to smoke them up. One of the first things we need to do is we need to cut the ribs in half because they're too big for the smoker. And they also, I can get them more center and they smoke a little evenly. So we kind of find the middle. I've already pulled the silver skins off. So I find my middle and just follow down the bone. And then do the same thing on the other one. And just follow down the bone. As you can see here, these are exceptionally meaty units. These ribs are absolutely gorgeous for $5. I know, I mean, they're just beautiful. Fresh Iowa pork. So now that they're cut in half, let's get them seasoned. I use dry rub number 1. So let's put a liberal dose of that on there. Just kind of sprinkle it on the top of all over. Now these were dried ribs. I washed them and dried them. Now I'll run a little warm water on the bottom to get the silver skin off. That really does kind of help. Okay, number 1. Then we're going to put dry rub number 2. Another liberal dose of dry rub number 2. You know we like dry rub number 2 here. It's a kind of a universal seasoning. So we get a nice even coat of dry rub number 2. Okay, then smoked paprika. Now this kind of adds the barbecue-y kind of a flavor to it, and it's got some nice red color to it. And I do find the smoked, even though it's going in a smoker, has its own unique flavor. If you like heavy barbecued chips, you'll like smoked paprika. You can also add these to barbecued chips that are not that great, and you know the ones I'm talking about. But yeah, this makes a huge difference. I season a lot of my own chips, to the dismay of my wife. Every now and then she'll go, "Did you put seasonings on these?" Yes. So then, cracked pepper. Now after we get this on here, we're just gonna let this set for a little while. And right now here in Texas, it's raining. So we're gonna let this set until the rain lets up. The weather forecast says it should let up in about half an hour or so, which is actually perfect for letting the seasonings dry rub start to meld to the surface. It might be kind of hard to hear me over this grinder, but we'll find out how good my new microphone is. I'm sure you can tell the difference from the old microphone. We did step up the production facilities a little bit here, so we appreciate any of you hitting the subscribe button, because that'll help us pay for the production facilities, which aren't free. So anyway, we get a nice coating of pepper on it. Let's go set up the smoker. So as you can see, it's raining, so I've got to get them in really quick. They're going in for 4 hours at 205, and then we'll finish them on the grill. They look beautiful. Oh, they look fantastic. Get out of the rain. Okay, well, it's been 4 hours. Let's check on them. Those look pretty dang amazing. Okay, so here the ribs are after 4 hours of smoking. We had them in at 205 for 4 hours. Let's cut into them and see how they look. They sure look good from this side, boy, I'm telling you. There's always that one little bone down there. Well, that sure looks good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my goodness. That is tender and juicy. And that's dry without sauce at all. When I sauce these up, they're gonna be absolutely amazing. So that's how you do it. Those are baby back ribs. That was $10 for 2 complete racks. So keep an eye out for value and we'll make exceptional food.
And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And please feel free to check out all the other recipe videos on my channel. This has been Texas Backyard Barbecue with PitMaster T.